Alright, hey guys, Triple C Collecting back, and I know it's been a little bit longer of a wait than you so expected, and same with me because, you know, USPS lost my package, but the box has finally came with the 100 or so comics that guy sent me, so I just wanted to share it with you guys, so got a lot to go, so we probably should get started.
Yep.
So we got a huge box here. It's like, I don't even know, it's in this weird packaging that got damaged in the mail because apparently they just said to send it south instead of north first, but
Gotta go up to go down.
I guess so. We finally got it after like 2 weeks. So the first book we're gonna pull out of here is a Spectacular Spider-Man number 189. I don't have any of the Spectacular run yet, so it's pretty cool. So
There's a ton of books in here, so we're gonna try to move sort of fast, so it's not like a 40-minute video.
I'll pull 2 out at a time. Oh, okay. Then we got more Spectacular. We got 199, 198, 196. I guess not 197.
If you show them to the camera, it's a lot better, you know, so people can actually see what you got in there.
Oh,
yeah, like we said, this is the that's cool.
you know what that is?
No idea, but
Death of Harry Osborn. That's Green Goblin.
that's pretty cool. That's a nice cover.
I know. It's like they have that variant. That's the foil variant. They have a normal, I think, too.
So, this is the box Hunter got from his eBay connection, because, you know, he makes all kinds of creepy connections on the internet.
Creepy. We got more Spectacular Spider-Man. Number 201, 202.
And you have more boxes coming from this guy, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one like every week, so you can always expect more. 203.
Pretty sweet
I'm just
cover.
gonna pull out the whole stack here, so that's not
I like all the Carnage covers you're getting out of these, all the
Yeah.
Maximum Carnage run. What the hell?
Cloak and Dagger. I forgot I even got
I
those.
love Cloak and Dagger.
Um,
Did you get first Cloak and Dagger?
I'm
Cloak and
not
Daggers
sure if
here.
he has that to give me, but
So hopefully we get something. I mean, we've gotten some cool stuff, but hopefully we get something sort of valuable in here.
I mean, we got more Spectacular Spider-Man, 204, 205, and then we start with the Peter Parker Spectacular Spider-Man run, so. Alright, what else is next here? What else is this?
Hunter is so excited, he doesn't even want to show you guys. He's just looking for it himself.
Shut up. I'm excited to see what it is. What is this stuff? More Cloak and Dagger.
Tombstone. Gotta love Tombstone.
Where? Oh, that guy.
Yeah.
I think I have the first one coming at some point. Alright. Ooh.
Just the limited.
We got the 4-issue limited, and I guess we have like the whole run of like the baby series. If you want to show those off, you can.
More Cloak and Daggers. I like that now everything's bagged, boarded.
I don't.
They're all stuck together. These Mylar bags, these old ones, stick together. I hate that. You can keep going. I know you're gonna look at them for a couple seconds anyway, so you can keep going. I'll just get through these as we go.
I mean, I guess this guy thinks I'm like a Cloak and Dagger fan.
Hey, you gotta love Cloak and Dagger.
I mean, I never read Cloak and Dagger series, so
It is a cool story. I always did enjoy it, but
this might be volume 2 or something. I don't know.
yeah, they did a bunch of them. They just keep making limited series for everything.
I guess.
So
Now we have more Cloak and Dagger.
you gotta love Cloak and Dagger. This is our heating down of the week.
I don't think it ever
Dagger.
heated up, to be honest. But...
Hey, it did when the Hulu series came out. It heated up.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Not very much. I think it reached like $60, but
The limited series?
no. This is first appearance. I don't think anybody really ever read. Or
Now we don't even have bags.
Oh, we're back to no bags, no boards.
Guest starring Spider-Man in this issue, so we're getting kanky.
Kanky, like cankles.
Yes. Oh my god.
God.
Connor's gonna bend all my spines.
Yeah, probably. Oh god. Oh nice. Yeah, we're bending this one real good. But it is Cloak and Dagger, so.
Yeah, finally something cool. I don't know where number 1 is, but hopefully it's in there somewhere. But at the Infinity Gauntlet. It's something I've been kind of wanting to get, and I always bought the wrong one, because when the movie came out, I bought the Infinity Wars 1 through 6. Now, of course, what would it be? The Infinity Gauntlet. So we got 2. We got number 3, and this next one is not in the sleeve, so I'm just gonna throw it in the ones that
It's
see.
not the most valuable of the 3 that you've shown.
Which one?
Number 4.
Probably.
Isn't there something in there? I can't really remember.
I don't know anything about it.
I really don't know anything but Spider-Man and spec books, but I got you in those 2 departments, so.
Hopefully this fits. There we go.
And I'll just show this one off too, because Hunter's
There's number
being
4.
Hunter.
That's a cool cover though. I like that one.
That is nice.
Please tell me this is not an Infinity Gauntlet. Oh, of course it is. Number 1.
Oh, number 1, not bagged and boarded. Love that. Love to see that.
I do not love to see that game either.
That's cool. Oh, we'll just put it to the side. We'll do it later, Hunter.
Okay.
Here, you do that. I'll pull some out.
Okay. They're all unboarded, Connor. What if you pull it out wrong?
I don't care.
There should be number 6. You don't care. I don't care.
I know you care. And then there's Infinity War, like Hunter was talking about before.
I guess I got both.
Man. There's a lot of comics in here. How much do you pay for this?
$100 or something like that.
$100 for. We got Warlock. We got.
Is that
More Infinity Gauntlet.
number 6?
Yeah, number 6. Sweet. There you go. Some Excalibur. Yeah. If you saw our other box, we got literally like, what, 50 Excaliburs?
I got like the whole run of
Which is cool, because I like Cyclops, but.
I mean, I have the whole run of Excalibur.
Yeah, like, this is.
I love those kind of covers that are like.
Just yellow?
No, like the whole, like the corner thing is like all beat up, like in the.
The
328.
Distorted top.
Yeah, it makes it.
I just really want to just throw a shout out to the ads on the back that are like classic 90s ads.
Game Genius.
Like, drink Mountain Dew, you'll pee out blood. And then like, it's like, wow.
I don't think that was ever an ad.
I think it was.
And what else we got? Special edition of Excalibur, sorry.
Graphic novel.
I don't know what the heck that is.
2 C's.
Toothies.
Heir apparent. Interesting.
Apparently we need Moon Mayhem.
The Mayhem.
Well, Mojo Mayhem, sorry.
I was gonna say Mayhem on the moon.
Oh, cool. I got another Spider-Man. Of course, that's bagged and boarded, because whatever that is.
It's Spider-Man, that's all that matters. We got some newer stuff.
Invincible Iron Man, 5, 7, and 8. 5, 6... Yeah, 5, 6, and 7. Got more Iron Man.
Got more Iron Man.
Oh, cool. I put this... Is there a number 1 in there by any chance?
8.
Nope.
9. I think we're getting farther away. 11 and 10.
Well, if it was Riri Williams, that would have been cool, but it's not.
It's not that one.
Yeah. What else we got? We got more Invincible Iron Man. We got 12. Oh, we have 9. We got 12.
Look like that. Looks like it's skin. I like that.
What?
Look at his Looks like the Iron Suit's like his skin. It's like really molded to his muscles there.
Kind of has
I love that
nano
classic 90s roid rage crap they got going on.
Oh, I was gonna pull this whole stack out right here.
What the hell? It's packed sideways. There's so many books in here that is literally packed sideways and horizontal.
Sweet. So we got more Spectacular Spider-Man. This one's a Cosmic Spectacular Spider-Man.
Oh, that's a cool cover in this next one.
Ooh. More Spectacular. I really hope the one is in here that I really want, but God knows.
Which one do you really want?
The one with the Black Cat 91. The black suit.
Oh, okay.
More Spectacular Spider-Man. Another Spectacular Spider-Man. Oh, we're getting down there. There's something that... Hey, I think I know that cover from something. What's this? 118, 117.
How many books do you got, dude? It's crazy.
Well, this is kind of filling in my run. 116. Please hope that pile doesn't fall over. I'll cry. 186. We're going the opposite direction.
Gotta love it.
184. Why does the Green Goblin look like a baby?
It's that 90s art style, dude. There's all kinds of weird crap happened in the 90s.
True.
Including me being born.
That was probably weird, so what is this? 183. Hey, it's Harry Osborn again. And you got 115, 114.
Didn't he die?
And 200. 15 to 14. There's a Hulk ad on the back of that one.
Okay. Love the ads.
103, 105, and 94. We're getting close to 91. Maybe that's probably the bottom. I remember him saying something about it being in there, but it could be in the bottom or somewhere else. You never know with these. What else we got here? More Iron Man, number 10. Number 81.
You know what helps is if when you look at it weird, you show them what you're looking at weird.
Shut up. Captain America and MODOK is back.
MODOK? Oh, love me some MODOK.
That is a great art style for MODOK.
Like probably the sexiest villain out there.
I mean, that and Rob Liefeld's Captain America together in one picture.
Just gotta love it.
Ooh,
mostly head.
Firestar. I mean,
it's like Starfire, but not copyright infringement.
Oh, I
You know,
see.
you got to. What the hell is that?
Connor, you don't know anything about Elf Warrior?
Is that what that is? Elf Warrior?
Elf Warrior number freaking
number one.
I mean,
that is
That is-
high
that-
quality entertainment.
that is heating down just as much as this next one.
This I'm gonna say. Oh no, I'm gonna say I'll hold my heating down comment for.
I mean,
no, not even that one. The next one after that.
this one is nice acid stained back and board. Number freaking 0.
Because one wasn't good enough. They had to lower one for adventurers.
What we got here is a ninja and a werewolf. This is like a great
Freaking
story.
awesome sword. Look at that badass 19th century awesome sword that I found in a dumpster.
I'll give you 20 bucks for it.
Oh, I will take your $20.
What we got here is
That's our heating down of the week.
not even the volume 1.
Yeah.
The volume 1 was too good.
It's sold out volume 1, and we got volume 2
Number 5.
Elf Lord.
Like, look at that
Number
art
5.
style.
Absolute grail call right here. Elf Lord. Should I cos? If this gets 100 likes, I'll cosplay as Elf Lord.
Please do not like this video.
Oh, yeah, that is pretty tight down there. I don't know if I can do that.
Goodness.
But
What we got here is Godzilla. Honestly, I think number 1 was actually worth a little
number
bit.
1 is worth. But number 2, I don't think anybody cares about. It's a second searing issue though.
Second series.
But does it stand up to Elf Lord?
I don't know if it stands up to Elford. And another weird guy thing.
Spectors.
That is something right there.
You should cosplay as him if I have to be Elf Lord.
I
Be
really.
that thing.
Can you? I'll have Kylie make me.
I like the floating weed in the background. Oh, beautiful. That's packed well, or hardly packed. Who knows? Oh, I see some good stuff in there.
I mean, and a 2-issue limited series, X-Men, and the Alpha Flight. Since Alpha Flight's-
Everyone cares about Alpha Flight.
We have 1
Canada's
and 2,
premier superhero team.
and probably the most important thing in here for Connor. So the whole reason I bought this box
I'm ready.
would be the first appearance of the New Mutants in their own graphic novel. I saw this and he sent me a picture of, I think, Elf Lord had asked me about that, and I saw this in the background. I'm like,
I'll take that.
is that for sale? He's like,
Only if you buy Elf Lord. That's the only way you can get it.
oh, this is second edition, okay.
I mean, second edition still. There's like what 5 editions of it or something.
Yeah,
so
it's like 7 printings or something.
Oh.
I don't know.
I'll definitely take that.
I mean, it's not the
I
most,
love the New Mutants. If you guys didn't know.
not the most beautiful condition.
So-
We got some issues. And
Yeah, it's got some wear and tear.
probably due to
but
the
I got
fact
it
that
now,
this
so.
thing looked like it's been through a shredder, but I mean,
The box it came. It's a surround heating pad or something.
Connor said, hey, no care.
Did it? Oh, okay, good.
I mean,
You got some interesting boxes from this guy, but that we'll definitely take. Let's give a little bit of a close up. I think that should be in frame. Hopefully, the back's all black, so of course it's all scratched up, but pretty sick.
I don't know. It's something cool.
I do like that.
I've
a
never
lot.
seen the Marvel graphic novels ever in my hands. I've never even seen them in stores or like in
It's like nice material though.
comic shops or anything. And we also got the X-Men graphic novel number 5.
Yeah,
I don't know.
added bonus.
I don't know if that's something like big or anything. I don't think any of these graphic novels are number 4.
Yeah,
before it's
that's the deal.
anything. So I've never seen that anywhere except for like on eBay and stuff. But
So,
they're actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah. Sorry for the slow start. We're just getting our morning coffee in, but
I mean, it is 12 o'clock. It's like the perfect time because I
Yeah.
work nights. So
yeah, I'm up all night too. But so, as many of you know, this is also the giveaway video.
oh, can't forget about that.
Yeah, that's probably why they actually watched it.
Is it Elf Lord? We're giving away Elf Lord. We can't give away the Grail.
Do you want to? I kind of want to keep Elf Lord, or we could give it away.
I mean, if you guys really want Elf Lord, I can give it away.
leave a note in the comments if you really want Elf Lord. Maybe we'll give that away too. Just since that's our heating down of the week.
No, that's the Grail, Connor.
Oh, that's the Grail.
That's our Grail call.
But we're gonna be giving away this Sumerian Queen Emerald City Comic Con exclusive. It's a pretty sick cover. It's a virgin cover. I'm not sure exactly who did the art, but like and comment and subscribe if you want this. So we'll be picking a random comment from a subscriber and sending this out. We'll give it a week.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Might as well. I mean,
So next Thursday we'll make a video next Friday and we'll announce the winner there. All right. So thank you, Triple C Collectibles.
thanks, guys.
Keep it classy.